Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of July, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.24. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 4.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between negative 19.7% and positive 13.27%. In examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 17.2%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 32.94% and positive 47.33% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the anticipated future price somewhere between $2.35 and $5.17. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for NIO Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, the NIO stock price increased by 2.33%, rising from $3.43 to $3.51. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.48%, with a low of $3.45 and a high of $3.57. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.28% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 20 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. Altogether, 45 million shares changed hands for an approximate total of $156,890,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 54.47%, or $4.20, below the 52-week high, and 94.76%, or $63.48, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's recent performance indicates a significant surge in deliveries, aligning closely with competitors BYD and XPeng, as the Chinese electric vehicle market heats up, putting pressure on Tesla. On July 1, 2025, NIO reported strong delivery results for June and the second quarter, which are expected to bolster market confidence. The company is aiming for a sales rebound to between 72,000 and 75,000 units this quarter and is focused on achieving positive free cash flow for the year. In a competitive landscape, XPeng's recent advancements in delivery and revenue growth have highlighted challenges for NIO, though NIO remains a recognized leader in the smart EV sector. Continued growth in deliveries could enhance investor sentiment and provide upward momentum for the stock in both the short and long term. However, NIO is also contending with market volatility and tariff-related pressures that have historically impacted its stock price. As the electric vehicle sector evolves, these factors could create fluctuations, necessitating careful monitoring of NIO's performance relative to its competitors. Positive delivery updates could enhance NIO's valuation prospects, while ongoing market challenges will require strategic adaptability. Overall, the balance of strong delivery growth and external pressures will likely influence investor sentiment and NIO's stock trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral rating along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating and took a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating along with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating and also took an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and so far it has risen nearly 3%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The NIO stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average, currently positioned at $3.69. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $3.46. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative trend. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 30 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 62 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.46. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 12 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 3.48%. For the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.75%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year, 2025, is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 470 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.52. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.46. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.31, which reflects a decrease of 5.64%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO shows several positive signals, yet we do not find these sufficient for a buying recommendation. At this moment, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, indicating that investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. We have revised our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we anticipate that NIO will open higher, remaining unchanged, and begin trading at $3.51. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.